Back to my channel, guys. In today's video I'm going to make a pecan cranberry brownie, and it's perfect for the festive season. So let's head straight to the kitchen, guys. Ingredients: here we have sugar, here we have flour, salt, 2 eggs, butter, vanilla, pecan, and dry cranberry, unsweetened chocolate. And here is the procedure. I'm going to melt the butter and then add the chocolate and stir until the chocolate has melted. Now that the chocolate already melted, I'm going to take off from the flame, add the vanilla and allow to cool down. Then we go on to the next step. Now, pour the cool chocolate mixture in a bowl, and I'm going to stir the sugar. Then I'm going to add the eggs one at a time. Going to add the salt, mix to combine, put aside, grease my pan, and then I'm going to come back to the mixture, fold in my flour, then add the cranberry, pecan, pour in my pan, and I'm going to allow these to bake for 20 to 25 minutes in my preheated oven. Just follow the steps, guys. You have it, guys, the final product. Hope you guys enjoy this video and test out this recipe. Thank you all so much for watching, and happy holidays. And as usual, stay safe, stay blessed. Until next time, guys. Bye.